Okay, once a student has been performing poorly, you've gone through process with them, and you've filled out a warning letter and a probation letter, and then they've continued to do poorly, and they failed a class, and then they continue to do poorly, then you're going to drop the student. So at that point, you're going to fill out a withdrawal or drop sheet. So student withdrawal drop sheet, which is what you're looking at currently. Um, and what this does is allows you to kind of document what you did with that student over that time frame that you had them. So the date of drop is going to be the date that that last day that you decided that was it, the date that you dropped them. In this case, this is incorrect. This is supposed to be a 10. So 10/25, 24. So we're dropping them on that date. This is the name of the student, their UID, the school they're at, the grade they are. And then you're going to put in their classes, the classes that they passed before they got to where they failed a class. So in this case, they took orientation. They got an A for 1 credit. They took English 12. They got a B for 5 credits. And then something happened during algebra in their life, and they stopped coming, and now they failed that class. Those are all the things we documented in the warning letter and the probation letter and the due process. Okay. And then I would, after I print this, I would make sure to initial each one of these boxes here. Make sure you have a reason. In this case, it was really non-attendance for this student. They just stopped coming. And in that process of 4 weeks, they failed a class. Then they continued to not show. They were showing that they were never going to show at that point. So no contact, and all the reasons to drop them were there. So we went ahead and did that. And then you're going to have the student sign and the parent sign if they are under 18. If they're 18, they don't need a parent. You would not need a parent signature. And then this form would then get submitted. Basically, you're just going to put it into your folder and turn this into your clerical, and they'll take care of the rest.